Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Math Explained Easy. Today we are going to look at the recursive formula of arithmetic sequence. The recursive formula is a formula that defines any term of a sequence in terms of its preceding terms. When I'm given the first term a sub 1, we can apply the recursive rule. The recursive rule states a sub n, which is the next term, equals a sub n minus 1, which is the previous term, plus d, which is the common difference. Just remember, we need the previous term in order to get the next term. Now let's look at a couple of examples. Write the recursive rule for the nth term of the sequence 5, 7, and 9. If we closely look at this sequence, we can see it's being added by 2 each time. Therefore our common difference is 2. Now let's plug 2 into the equation for d. A sub n equals a sub n minus 1 plus 2. This gives us the recursive formula for this sequence. Okay, now let's look at the next question. What is the fourth and fifth term? So let's start with the fourth term. Since we want the fourth term, n equal 4. Now plug in 4 for all the n terms. A sub n equals a sub 4 minus 1 plus 2. Now we subtract 4 minus 1 and we get 3. We know a sub 3 is our third term, which is 9. Therefore we add 9 and 2 and our fourth term is 11. Now pause the video and work through the fifth term. Okay, let's see how you did. First, we plug in 5 for n since we are looking for the fifth term. Next we subtract 5 minus 1 and get 4. Now we have a sub 4 plus 2. We found a sub 4 from the previous problem, which was 11, which is also the previous term. Now 11 plus 2 equal 13, which is our fifth term. Okay, let's look at a couple more problems. Given the first term, a sub 1 in the recursive formula, write the first 6 terms in the sequence. Since a sub 1 is my first term, we start with negative 8. Then we see our common difference is 3. So we add 3 to each term. We get negative 8, negative 5, negative 2, 1, 4, and 7, which are my first 6 terms. Let's look at our next problem. 19 is a sub 1, which is my first term. Since my common difference is negative 5, we start by subtracting 5 from 19. We get 19, 14, 9, 4, negative 1, and finally negative 6 as our first 6 terms. Thank you for watching. For more math content, please like and subscribe to my channel.